Okay, you've chosen the 3x3 Rubik's Cube that is, I guess, tributed to the Chicago Bulls. Each sticker has something to do with either the NBA or the Chicago Bulls specifically. And once I solve it, I'll go into detail, I guess, of what the stickers are. Reset. Okay, here's my timer. Touch. Done this in a while. Now this is a picture cube, so it will take a little bit longer than a regular solid Rubik's Cube would take me. Okay, it'll appear like I'm done, but I'm not. Some of the centerpieces have parity, so I'll fix that real quick. That's fine, that's fine. I assume. Okay. Okay, that's fixed. And then it's still not fixed. Okay. 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 Roughly it took 2 minutes and 44 seconds for me to finish this. But now I'll go about the stickers. Here is the brand side with NBA logo all around it. That looks really nice. Here's the classic bull. I really like this side of the Chicago Bulls. Here is the side with the Chicago Bulls with the bull over and over on each cube. NBA Eastern Conference. Despite the stereotype, I have no idea what that is. Troll me if you want. A Bulls mascot. I hate this side the most. I really do. I wish they put Michael Jordan on there or something. And I believe that's all the sides. Oh yeah, and a Spalding basketball. So there we go, Chicago Bulls Rubik's Cube.